I can't believe I'm saying this, but let's speak about Dogecoin, baby. What is happening, investors? It is your boy Jack. I am not a financial advisor, and you know the markets are in a weird place when I have to speak about this meme cryptocurrency. But the reason I'm making today's video is because I'm seeing a lot of people, comparing these guys to GME, AMC, all of the short squeeze stocks. And then I'm also seeing a lot of people say that these guys are the next Bitcoin. And they are literally all over YouTube, all over TikTok, all over Facebook, all over Reddit. They are everywhere, and I don't doubt the power of the people. I don't doubt that, Dogecoin could go to $1 a share. That's how crazy this world is. But what I really want to do is I just want to give you guys a basic understanding of what Dogecoin is. Because a lot of people, for some reason, think that it could be the next Bitcoin or it could be the next short squeeze, and it can't be either of those things. So that's what we're going to speak about today, my friends. We're going to have a look at Elon Musk, okay? Because when Elon Musk tweeted this, Dogecoin went up hundreds and hundreds and hundreds of %. We're going to speak about Dogecoin versus Bitcoin, what you need to know, what are the differences and why they're not particularly comparable. We would have a look at the Dogecoin price and see the power of social media, because I mean this is what social media does. Dogecoin trading volume hit $5 billion, surpassing Bitcoins for the first time ever. That is what social media can do. And CNBC's take on it. Reddit frenzy pumps up Dogecoin, a cryptocurrency that started as a joke, which it did. And I also just want to speak briefly about why it's very different to what's going on in the world of Wall Street bets with GME, the short squeezes fighting the big guys. A lot of people are saying it's the next GME. It's in no way comparable. But anyway, my friends, right before we do get into the video, could I please ask you to hit that juicy like button? Drop me a comment down below. Let me know, are you invested in Dogecoin? I genuinely am interested. I'm not personally. If you are indeed new around here, my friend, please hit that juicy red subscribe button. Join the family of investors. We're trying to get to 100,000. Also, if you're interested in joining my private Discord group, that is the first link in the description. And you get full access to all of my buy and sell alerts, over 50 private stock related channels. Join a community of over 2,300 investors. We made a lot of money in January, but wait until tomorrow to sign up. Patreon charges the first every month, so wait until tomorrow. And if you want 4 free stocks on Webull, that's the second link in the description, my friend. Got to sign up, deposit $100. 2 of those stocks will be worth $3,700 each. That's a lot of Dogecoin. So if you're watching this video, you more than likely know what happened price action wise. You know that they essentially went from being absolutely worthless. They made highs of nearly 8 cents a share, and now they crashed back down an awful lot. And this is completely and utterly just off of social media and just off of hype. That is all that is going on right now. So a little bit of backdrop on Dogecoin. It's a digital coin originally founded as a joke. It soared over 800% after a Reddit board talked about making it the cryptocurrency equivalent of GameStop. Jumped over 800%, my friends, and this is not the first time Dogecoin has seen moves like this. Celebrities have often tweeted about this or put up Instagrams about this, and it's sent it soaring. Dogecoin was created in 2013 based on the popular Doge meme at the time, which involved a Shiba Inu dog. Like, anybody who's been on the internet since then will remember that. It was hilarious times. At 12:03 PM Singapore time, Dogecoin had added about $7.17 billion to its market cap in 24 hours. Its total market cap stood at 8.2 billion. That is insane, my friends. It was the 9th largest cryptocurrency at that time. That is nuts. But again, this is the power of the people. I mean, it's insane. I'm not playing it, but it shows that us little guys, when we come together, we can do really cool things. Now, the situation with Dogecoin is different from the situation with GameStop. The Reddit group Wall Street Bets is pushing the narrative of buying GameStop shares in order to create pain for hedge funds that are shorting or betting against the stock. Essentially, these guys are betting that the price will go lower. We buy it to push the price up. Those guys have to sell their shares, and in order to do that, they have to buy them back. So it creates this ripple effect where the share price just keeps going up and up and up. So me and you, all of the little guys, we're buying our shares, we push the price up, and then ultimately the plan is to take the hedge funds' money. So there's no such shorting dynamic from hedge funds at play with Dogecoin. It's just a group of people who are trying to push the cryptocurrency higher to make money. And again, it's fair, but do be aware, my friends. I mean, a lot of the guys you're seeing on social media, on TikTok in particular, on Reddit, they're going to have a lot of money in this company, okay? They understand that, essentially it's relatively worthless. There's an infinite supply of this cryptocurrency, okay? It's not comparable to Bitcoin. It can be eternally diluted. The guys who are really pushing this agenda on you, they're not trying to stick it to anybody. They're not trying to beat hedge funds like people are with GME. They just want money. A lot of guys will have bought a lot of share of these. They create this propaganda. Everybody buys in. Everybody on social media saying, hold, hold, hold. In the meantime, they're probably selling. So do be aware of that. There's no greater meaning behind investing in Dogecoin. Again, it's not comparable to GME. Bitcoin has no central monetary authority. Instead, it is underpinned by a peer-to-peer computer network. I'm sure a lot of you guys will be aware of this. That, alongside the fact that there is a finite supply of Bitcoin, is the primary reason why it's going up in value. There's a limited supply. and people actually use this. You know, there's certain online stores now that will let you use Bitcoin. The Dogecoin system has no cap on the number of Dogecoins that users can mine. As long as miners continue operating, the Dogecoin supply continues to expand. That's the first thing that is very different to Bitcoin, is that there is not a finite supply. There is an infinite supply. So it's never really going to have the same growth potential as Bitcoin. And we have seen pump and dumps like what we saw happen the other day happen a few times over the years. You will see this here, top 5 Dogecoin pumps through the ages. And you will see here there has been several. June 5th, 2017. January 7th, 2018. Look, there is several of them in here. Ultimately, it always comes crashing back down. And we just saw one like never before a couple of days back. So just do be aware of that, my friends. Dogecoin essentially just is a pump and dump scheme. That's all there really is to it. There isn't really any underlying value in there, in my opinion. I mean, I want it to go to $1. I want everybody who's buying it to get rich off of this. But I also understand that, you know, if you are late to the party in this one, a lot of people are, you know, pushing this propaganda to buy in so that they can sell. Just be aware of that. And I do just want to make this clear again. So in 2018, the US Commodity Futures Trading Commission sounded the alarm on pump and dump schemes. Not a lot's happened, but this is when a certain cryptocurrency is hyped online and then more and more people buy. Those who are in early sell when the price goes high, but many will purchase near the top and lose money. And that is the primary reason I'm making today's video, my friends, is because everybody's really pushing it very hard online right now, and you know, a lot of people will make a lot of money, but for everybody who's making money, for everybody who buys it the whole way up, there's going to be somebody who sells you back down. And again, here's a really clear example. So there was this huge pump up, okay, and you know, it went up really far, and maybe a few more people bought in, thought this is awesome, and it kept going up, and people started to think it's going to happen forever and ever and ever. And there was people who bought here and here and here, and it came all the way back down, and a lot of them would have lost pretty much their entire investment. This is what a pump and dump is. Nobody knows exactly when the pump finishes or when the dump starts, and that's what makes them so dangerous. So just do be aware of that, my friends. I mean, you do you, it's your money, you can do whatever you want. I have no interest in Dogecoin. Just don't go betting the whole house on it, is all I'm trying to advise you guys. Understand, it's completely different to, you know, fighting the hedge funds in regards to GME, and it's completely different to Bitcoin. It's never going to reach anywhere near that level. But anyway, my friends, that was just a quick video on Dogecoin. I can't believe I'm making it. This might actually be my first cryptocurrency video, and it's on Dogecoin. But anyway, guys, if you did watch all the way until the end, you, my friend, are a true legend, and I really do appreciate you being here. If you enjoyed, could I please ask you to hit that juicy like button, drop me a comment down below, and please, my friend, subscribe if you're new around here. Also, if you are interested in that private Discord group, that is the first link in the description, but wait till tomorrow to sign up. And if you are interested in those free stocks on Webull, that's the second link, my friends. Anyway, guys, I hope you all have a beautiful, blessed day. I'll see you for another video soon. Peace.